As the new Chief Constable of South Wales Police, I'm delighted to be able to announce the publication of our annual Welsh Language Report. Welsh language issues, especially around providing Welsh language services, are particularly important to me and South Wales Police. Over the past 12 months, I'm delighted to be able to say that we have made excellent progress in relation to our aim of becoming a truly bilingual organisation. The report provides a snapshot of our work and includes impressive statistics about the number of officers and staff who have improved their Welsh language ability, an increase in the amount of Welsh language essential posts we have created, and the development and rollout of a new website which provides users with vastly improved online services, whether they are acquired in English or Welsh. Underpinning this progress is a very enthusiastic workforce who are keen to learn and use that learning to help provide a better policing service to the public we serve. Whilst I'm proud of our ongoing progress, I'm also realistic and understand we still have loads more to do. We actively encourage feedback from the communities we serve, and we are happy to hear about positive feedback about our progress, but also we're interested in receiving feedback on when we can do better. I hope you enjoy reading our report and hope you find the content interesting and a positive reflection of our vision of becoming a truly bilingual police service. Diolch.